Good day everyone, especially to our teacher. Today, our group will present a report about 6 national artists for music in the Philippines, individuals who have made outstanding contribution to the development and preservation of Filipino music. These artists have not only created remarkable works but also shaped the identity of the Philippine music through their talents, innovation, and dedication. They represent different eras, styles, and forms of music, from classical to modern, from folk to opera, and each one has played a major role in uplifting Filipino culture through sound and song. Let us now begin with the first national artist in our list, Antonio J. Molina. Antonio J. Molina is recognized as one of the greatest figures in Philippine music. He is often called the Dean of Filipino Composers because of his significant influence in the early development of classical music in the country. He was born on December 26, 1894, in Quiapo, Manila, into a musical family. From a young age, he showed great interest and talent in music. He studied at the University of the Philippines Conservatory of Music. He studied at the University of the Philippines Conservatory of Music, where he excelled in both theory and performance, especially as a cellist and composer. One of the Molina's greatest contributions was bringing the Impressionist style of music to the Philippines. He was inspired by European composers like Debussy, but he added a Filipino touch to his work, using native themes and emotions. His most famous composition is Hating Gabi, a romantic and expressive piece for violin and piano that beautifully captures the peaceful and mysterious atmosphere of the Filipino night. Aside from composing, Molina was also a respected teacher and conductor. He served as the director of the UP Conservatory of Music and the dean of the Centro Escolar University Conservatory of Music. Many of his students went on to become important musicians in their own right. In 1973, Antonio Molina was honored as a national artist for music, recognizing his lifelong dedication to Philippine music and education. He passed away on January 29, 1980, but his works and legacy continue to inspire musicians and listeners today.
Good day everyone, especially to our CPAR teacher, Ma'am Jazz. I'm Kyle Brent Pandalagan, and this is my report for Jovita Fuentes. Jovita Flores Fuentes was born February 15, 1895 at Roa City, province of Capiz. She died August 15, 1978 at age of 83 in Manila. Studied in Santa Isabel College of Manila. After her studies at the Colegio de Santa Isabel, Fuentes had a formal voice training under Salvina Fornani, an Italian singer who was then residing in Manila. In 1917, she took up college at the University of the Philippines Conservatory of Music. She is a Filipina soprano singer. She was known to be the first Filipina to receive recognition as a national artist for music in 1976, and one of the few Filipina to receive international acclaim in the European opera scene. Award Presidential Medal of Merit. Jovita Fuentes was an acclaimed Filipino theater actress and musician who garnered numerous awards, including the Presidential Medal of Merit in Music in 1958 and recognition as a National Artist of the Philippines in 1976. She became National Artist in 1976. Jovita Fuentes was named a National Artist of the Philippines for Music in 1976. She was the first Filipina to receive the honor in this category. Popular works. Ay Kalisod, Hiligaynon folk song, is one of the most popular work associated with the national artist Jovita Fuentes, who made the song famous by performing it publicly in 1919 and recording it for Odeon Records in 1928. Fuentes' passionate rendition of the song, which expresses despair over lost love, resonated with audiences and became a signature piece for the renowned soprano. Works exhibited numerous international and national opera stages. While she was not a visual artist with exhibited works, her prominent musical performances included roles in celebrated operas across Europe. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.
Good day everyone, I'm the part reporter of Philippine National Artist. So before I discuss my topic, I would like to introduce myself. I am April B. Singo. So let's start our discussion. Our discussion is all about Antonio R. Buenaventura. So who is Antonio R. Buenaventura? So Antonio R. Buenaventura is the national artist for music. He also known as a Colonel Antonio Buenaventura. He born on October 14, 1904 in Baliwag, Bulacan, Philippine Island. He passed away on January 25, 1996 at the age of 91. So his nationality is Filipino, occupations composer, conductor, music director, and teacher. Spouse Rizaliana Exconde. Awards: National Artist of the Philippines or Order of National Artists. He was born in a family of musicians. His father, Lucio Buenaventura, was a musician at the Spanish artillery band in Intramuros. He studied under the Nicanor Abelardo at the University of the Philippines Diliman Conservatory of Music and graduated in 1932 with a teacher's diploma in music, major in science and composition, and became an assistant instructor at the conservatory. He also studied composition for a postgraduate degree under the Gino Tacax. After the war, he became a conductor of the devastated Philippine Constabulary Band for 16 years, and he brought it back to its former glory. He became the music director of the UST Conservatory of Music in 1961 and the US School of Music and Arts in 1964. Buenaventura's music was influenced by different ethnic Philippine folk songs. In 1935, he joined Francisca Reyes Aquino in researching Philippine folk songs and dances. In 1936, he composed the accompaniment to the folk dance Pandango sa Ilaw and incorporated ethnic melodies and instruments through some of his compositions. Famous work of Antonio R. Buenaventura. Some of the outstanding work that he wrote after undertaking field research are the following: Manuet 1937, which borrowed largely from Ikoro tunes for its thematic thrust, the popular Pandango sa Ilaw 1936, Issues from the Philippines, Variations of Work with Greetings, and many others. Award and honors. Band Conductor of the Year 1951 from the Music Lovers Society. Republic Cultural Heritage Award for Music 1966 for his Symphony in C. Araw ng Maynila Cultural Award 1971. Award of Merit for Outstanding Contribution to Philippine Music 1976 from the Philippine Army. Director Emeritus of the University of the S 1981. National Artist of the Philippines 1988. Doctor of Humanities 1991 from the University of the Philippines. Diwa ng Lahi Award 1995, and that's all. Thank you.
Lucrecia Arcasilag, 1989, a Filipino composer and painter. Lucrecia Roses Casilag, known for incorporating indigenous Filipino instruments into orchestral production. Born August 13, 1989, sa Fernando City. Died August 16, 2008, age 89. Paco, Manila. She graduated cum laude in 1936 with a Bachelor of Arts, majoring in English. She also studied music at St. Scholastica's College in Malate, Manila, with Sister Baptista Bati graduating with a music teacher's diploma, major in piano in 1939. She was former president of the Culture Center of the Philippines, head of the Asian Composer League, chairperson of the Philippine Society for Music Education, one of the pioneers of the Bayanihan Dance Company, written more than 350 musical compositions, ranging from folk songs to opera to orchestral works of stage. Dularawan Salakot naging two-image play Golden Salakot 1969. Her San Jose Oratorio 1977. The Spiritual Canticle Oratorio 1991. Filiashana Choral Dance Kaleidoscope 1964. Sisa Ballet 1976. Why Flowers Bloom in May Opera 2008. Concertos. Violin Concerto No. 1 1983. Violin Concerto No. 2 1984. Advertisement for Piano and Orchestra 1960. Choral Music. Misang Filipino o Filipino Mass 1966. De Profundis 1977. Benedictus Cantata 1990. Ode to the President 1995. Orchestral Works. Ang Pamana, The Heritage 1966. The Legion of Sarimanok 1963. Philippine Scene 1974. In the Beginning 1988. Encennial Tribute to Filipino Womanhood Symphonic Cycle 1998. Music of four indigenous instruments. Improvisations No. 2 for Muslim Gamilan and Tipaklong 1970. Ang Apoy ng Mga Hayop, The Fire of Animals, Musical Tale 1986. Honors and Awards. Order of National Artists in the Philippines 1989. Patnubay ng Sining at Kalinangan Award in Music 1954. Presidential Award of Merit as Woman Composers 1956. Presidential Award of Merit and Gold Medal for Leadership and Outstanding Contribution to Music and the Arts 1960. Republic Cultural Heritage Award in Music for the Toccata for Winds and Percussion 1960 and Misang Filipino 1966. Honorary Doctor of Music from Centro Escolar University 1975. Honorary Doctor of Laws from the Philippine Women University 1980. Honorary Doctor of Fine Arts from St. John's University in New York 1981. Outstanding Filipino Awards for the Arts from J. Senate International in 1991.
Lucio de Estro San Pedro Sr. was a Filipino composer and teacher who was proclaimed a National Artist of the Philippines for Music in 1991. Lucio de Estro San Pedro Sr. Pebrero 11, 1913, Marso 31, 2002 ay isang Pilipinong kompositor at guro na ipinoklama bilang pambansang alagad ng sining ng Pilipinas para sa musika. He is remembered for his contributions to the development of Filipino region band music and for his well-known composition such as a Filipino lullaby sa Ugoy ng Duyan. Siya ay naalala sa kanyang contribution sa pagpapaunlad ng musika ng bandana ng relihiyon Pilipino at sa kanyang mga kilalang komposisyon tulad ng Pilipinong Lullaby sa Ugoy ng Duyan.
Felipe Padilla de Leon. Born May 1, 1912. Priaranda, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. Died December 5, 1992. As composer, conductor, and teacher known for expressing Filipino identity through music. Studied at the University of the Philippines Conservatory of Music, and his work shown love for country, nationalism, and Filipino culture. So, si Felipe Padilla de Leon ay nag-aaral noon sa University of the Philippines Conservatory of Music, and his works shown love for country, nationalism, and Filipino culture. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang kanyang akda ay nagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa nasyonalismo ng bansa at kulturang Pilipino.
Achievement. Declared National Artist for Music in 1997. Posthumous. Director of the UP College of Music. Then the Centro Escolar University, Conservatory of Music. Conductor of Manila Symphony Orchestra. Created music that inspired patriotism and unity during after World War. O musikang nagbigay inspirasyon sa pagiging makabayan, nilikha at pagkakaisa sa panahon at pagkatapos ng digmaan pandaigdig. Famous works. No Limit Tangre, the opera 1957.
And Il Filibusterismo, the opera 1970.
G-songs.
Payapang Daigdig.
Pasko na naman.
At Awit sa Paglikha ng Bagong Pilipinas.
Bagong Lipunin.
Bayan Ko Arrangement.